Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be making wood log burning stove. Very much to it. So basically, tools I'm using, I have a 2-inch drill bit. It's by Milwaukee. Flame's going to be coming out the top, so we got to drill the first one. Here's the first hole. So that hole goes down to about right here. Instead of drilling straight to meet this hole here, I want to go at an angle so it's going upward, so it gives it a draft and it keeps this from burning up this quick. Here's your first hole at the top, 3/4 way down your log, and then the hole that's in the front, you want to have at an angle and go upward, not straight in. You want to go tilt it up just a little bit to meet, so the two holes match. Now we're going to drill a hole just at an angle instead of straight. We're going to go down and drill up towards the hole so air flows up it and not coming out this way. I drilled both holes. Let's start it up. Two sticks, drop them in each hole. Take your torch and stick it in there. Get them to light up in each hole and let them run.